my name is Heinz Araque, and this is my video for project and portfolio. So first of all, I want to give a special thanks to uh, to Stephen Grider, which I follow his tutorials to manage to create this app. And okay, let me show the functionality. So the my app have the functionality so you can log in with Google, like this one, and the function, and it have the API from Stripe, so you can add credits. Any email will do, because as you can see here, this is the test mode. 242. This is a credit card number that you can use just to test the app, and you have to put a year in the future, and when the payment is processed, it will go away, and then and then it will add you 10 credits. Here you can, as you can see, I set up for the local host, which is the development environment, and I set up for production environment, which I use Heroku for deployment. So if I log in here, I use instead of AraqueHeinz at Gmail. Alright, in both I have no credits. So first I'm gonna add credits on this one. So any email will do. .com 42, and then 20 1 2 3 pay. Coolios. No. So first I'm gonna add a new survey. I'm gonna put here test survey, subject line, first test, the email body. Did I learn a lot with the tutorials? And my recipient will be AraqueHeinz at gmail.com. So once you click next, it will make you double check your entries to see if that is what you want. If you don't want them, I use React Redux form to be able to save the data, and when you go back, it will still be here. So you go next, and then you send the survey, boop, and you send the first survey. So now, if you go to my Gmail account, I receive a email. As you can see here, I customize the header of the email, and now you receive the question, and you have the option to give an answer, which is yes or no. Obviously, you can develop more on that. You can actually ask for SendGrid, which is the API that I'm using to record this information, to be able to let the user write a paragraph or something, and then be able to collect that feedback back to the website. So if you click yes, he'll send you to a URL that says we appreciate your feedback tool. And if you go to SendGrid.com, and we log in, you can see here that I have another request, and how many people have clicked in the emails that I've sent. All this information is going to be displayed in the application. So I close the application. Here it is. So the user knows. I might have it set up for the development, for the production, because the thing with SendGrid is that it doesn't allow you to have multiple apps connected to one domain, to one application. So here I just have to change this. Oh, I have the wrong one even. You have to change this URL to the URL you're receiving on your app to be able to receive the notifications. After you do that, it will display here how many people click yes and how many people click no, and you also have the ability to log out. and that's it. So if I log in again, to Araque, you can see here all the surveys me as a user have sent. Also, when I sent, I lost 1 credit. And if we go to mlab.com, this is the database I created for this. This is the service I used to create the database for this application, just for testing. And then you see we have a development and a production database. You go to development and you go to the collection surveys. You can see here that I have my last one, test, first test. Did I learn something? Then responded. I haven't received the notification back because I think I have the URL written wrong. I wrote the URL wrong, and no responses yet. But here you can check. So this is where the information goes, and this is where like the information is being grabbed to when it displays in your dashboard if you have sent surveys. So thank you very much, and goodbye.